Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to automate equalizer in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started with selecting the instruments we want to play, we can get started recording ourselves, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to enable the automatic equalizer option right here on our tracks that we want to use. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up any of the instruments you want. I'm just going to open up the audio recorder. It works the same for all. It's going to open up the same menu right here. So you can see this is now the recording menu, where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle that is going to enable us to get started recording ourselves. So you can go ahead and get started recording yourselves, and once you're finished and you want to equalize, this is what you want to do. So go right here into the upper left corner. As you can see, this is going to open up this mixing menu right here, which is the edit menu, where you can see all the tracks that we have. As you can see, audio recorder and my instrumental. And now if you click on the sliders option right here, this is going to open up the track settings. So under track settings guys, as you can see, if you scroll down, you'll find an option that says plugins and equalizer, and this is where we want to use our equalizer effect. So click on plugins and equalizer, and as you can see, this is now going to enable us to use our effect equalizer and visual equalizer that you can use and automate to work for your tracks to get your desired effect, and you'll be able to use them for any kind of track you want. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.